Welcome to our roleplay presentation, where we bring to life the dynamic and exciting world of hospitality and tourism through realistic scenario sets in hotels, restaurant, and travel agency. We will showcase the essential skills, professionalism, and customer-centered approach needed in this industry. Join us as we explore the real-world challenges and opportunities in delivering exceptional service and creating memorable experiences.
Afternoon, ma'am. Welcome to Horizon Hotel. May I assist you with your bags?
Oh, thank you. That will be wonderful. It's been a long time.
Of course. Let me check your reservation, mate. Here we are, Miss Leonido. We've upgraded you to the last room for your comfort.
Oh, really? That's so kind of you.
It's our pleasure of Grand Horizons. Every guest is family.
And every stay is special.
Here's your key, ma'am. Please let us know if you need anything during your stay. Enjoy your time with us.
Thank you.
Good evening, ma'am. Welcome to the Golden Plate. May I guide you to your seat?
Yes, please.
Easy lucky ang bag. Here's your menu. Would you like to have our Filipino best dishes?
That sounds good. I like to try.
Okay. Please have some water while you're waiting. Here's your order, ma'am. At the Golden Plate, we believe that every dish has a story, and every story served with a smile. Please don't hesitate to ask for anything else.
Thank you, miss. Your service is excellent.
It's our goal to make your experience memorable. Bon appetit!
Good morning, ma'am. Welcome to Golden Travel Agency. How may I assist you?
Hi, I'd like to explore some local attractions. Can you recommend it?
Certainly, we have a cultural heritage tour and an island hopping adventure. Based on your reference, I suggest island tour for a perfect relaxing.
That's perfect. Thank you.
You're welcome, ma'am. At Golden Travel Agency, your journey is our promise. So, I'll be handling all your documents and providing a list for what to do. And also, you'll be having a tour guide who's known for sharing and fascinating stories. So, here is our brochure. You can check here the history, background, tradition, and delicacies available in the tourist destination. And also, here's our itinerary for the prices, the schedule, that's perfect for you to do. And here is our small travel gift for you. Thank you for choosing our travel agency.
Wow, this is thoughtful. Thank you so much for going above and beyond.
It's our pleasure, ma'am. Remember, a great trip isn't just about the place we go, it's about how we make it here. Have a fantastic adventure, ma'am.
I really appreciate your kindness